Looking for a friend, where can you turn? She said, let it stop. Whisper the words of a prayer, and you found him there, arms open wide, love in his eyes. Jesus, he meets you where.
We want to say thank you for being there for us. There's never a time, I'm sure somebody called you that you did not come. And even if you have your business to do, either you put it up a little, or you push it down, or you push it up to make way or space for your brethren. And we appreciate that very much. Not very many congregations can say their minister.
There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you look into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can't survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. Stand with me, agree with me. We're all a part of God's body. It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive for you. You pray for me. I love you. I need you to survive. I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love you. I need you to survive. I pray for you. You pray for me. I love you. I need you to survive. I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love you. I need you to survive. I pray for you. You pray for me. I love you. I need you to survive. I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love you. I need you to survive. It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive. We give the Lord a praise. We worship. Hallelujah. All will